Okay, let's talk sanitation process, or let's say for example you were actually at Ulta or Sephora or wherever where they have testers, and you might want to try those products, but at the same time you're very hesitant because you're wondering if it's clean. Okay, so I'm about to show you guys how to properly sanitize testers so that you're able to try them on if you want to do so. If you don't want to do so, it is fine also, but there's no rule saying that you can't. There's actually things you can do to keep something from spreading bacteria or to make them safe for you to try. For example, I am going to show you guys how I would do this if I'm in a store to kind of touch up. This is what I would do. I use alcohol. You want it to be at least 70% alcohol. You want to spray everything that you are going to be using. Like I use a brush. Make sure I spray it, and you want to let it sit for a little while so it kills anything that's on there, any kind of bacteria or germ or whatever. And then if you want to use a lip gloss, you can remove it like this. This is the Dibs lip gloss. You want to spray the lip gloss with alcohol. You want to take one of those little testers, one of those little lip stuff. You want to remove it from off of here, and you want to spray one more time, and you want to let that sit before you put it on your lips. If you're doing a concealer, you want to pick up the concealer and you want to sanitize. I like to do this on the back of my hand. I like to spray the back of my hand with alcohol, and then I set the concealer, and I'll do it one more time, and I'm going to let that sit on the back of my hand for a little while. Now as far as a lip liner, you want to take it, you want to spray down the lip liner, and then you're going to get a sharpener. You want to sharpen your lip liner, and then you want to spray it with alcohol one more time. Now by this time my concealer should be sanitized. Now I'm going to apply this right under my eye with the brush that I have sanitized, and you can apply it directly on the face just like this. Wipe off the alcohol, do the lip liner, I'm going to pick up the lip gloss, Okay, so those are just some tips that you can use if you're in store and you want to try some of the, some of the makeup or whatever. You can and still keep things sanitary or disinfected, but you just have to know how to do it. So it's not saying that because it's in store you can't try it. Yes, you can, but just don't use it directly from that tube, container, lip liner. Don't pick those up and put it directly on your face. You want to make sure that you are sanitizing your products first.